everyone, meet my robot Aurora. So she will tell you the secrets about electricity. So let's try a rubber piece first. So let's try it first now. So it is non-conductive, meaning that it does not let electricity travel. This magnet is as well not conductive. But because of its shape, it goes in the non-conductive. So magnets are not conductive. So let's try it. Here we have a nice big key. It works, so we'll go over there. Now we have a coin. It is conductive, so let's go over there. Conductive means that it can let electricity travel. Now we have an iron wrench. It will go in that section. Now we have another iron wrench. Let's go there. These coins will also as well go in there. Coins are always conductive. Now we have a nail, and we have one more nail, 2 nails. It's not conductive, so it goes over there. And this nail is conductive. So do you know why? This one has a little curved shape, and the other one doesn't. So that's why. So now all these coins are conductive. Now we have this ring piece. It is conductive. This coin battery is also, of course, conductive. And now we have a paper slip. It is not conductive, so it goes over there. So hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back with more interesting videos. Bye. Say
do ba do ba do ba do ba do ba do ba do.